Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever wanted to repeat a certain look and feel across different images without having to remember the precise settings? One way to do this is by using lookup tables, or LUTs for short. Let me show you how you can create your own LUTs in Affinity Photo 2, and how you can download and use free LUTs designed by other people to help speed up your editing. I'll start by opening this lovely image I downloaded from pixabay.com. I'll go to the Adjustments button at the bottom of the Layers panel and make a few changes to demonstrate. First, I'll choose the Gradient Map Adjustment. You see this Gradient Map panel pop up. In the default, the left node controls the dark tones, the right node controls the light tones, and the middle node controls the mid-tones. I'm going to create a cool vibe to my image by clicking on each of these nodes and changing them to shades of blue from darker on the left to lighter on the right. Then, once I have them where I want, I'll go to the blend modes drop down in the corner and scroll through until I see one that I like. I think I'll go with soft light. Next, I think I'll go to the Shadows and Highlights adjustment and lower the shadows down all the way. Then, I'll go to the Contrast adjustment and lower it just a bit too. You can see the difference the adjustments make if I turn them all off and then back on. Now, if I want to save these settings as a LUT, all I have to do is go to File in the menu and then Export LUT. I'll change the name in the panel that pops up. I could change the quality if I wanted to, and then I'll press Export. You can store the LUTs in any folder you choose, but I have a LUT folder set up on my hard drive already, so I'll just make sure that folder is selected and then press Save. Alright, now I'll delete the adjustment layers and try this again by using the LUT I just created. To do this, I'll simply go back to the Adjustment button, but this time I'll scroll down to LUT. I'll select Load LUT and it will open up to my LUT folder. I'll select the LUT I just saved. And so, yeah, there you go. I get an identical result without having to adjust 3 separate light settings. You can use this again and again to provide consistency in your workflow. Let's see how it looks on another photo. I'll click the Adjustment button and select LUT. Then, I'll choose my new JG Cool Blue setting and hit Open to set the changes. Alright, now as a bonus for watching, I'll show you how you can get 48 free LUTs from shutterstock.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Just follow the link and then scroll down a bit. There's one download that contains 13 free LUTs. A little further down, there's another for 35 more. If you don't have one already, create a LUTs folder, download the files, and then save them to your LUTs folder. Alright, now back in Affinity Photo, click back on the Adjustments button and scroll back down to LUT. Click on Load LUT and you'll see all the different LUTs to choose from. It can get a little bit cumbersome going through the different changes. So let me give you another tip here. If you don't have an adjustment panel open yet, go to Window and select Adjustments. I like to drag mine over to the right a bit. From here, you can go down a bit and see LUT. If you click on that, you can see the default LUTs that come with Affinity. But you can create your own set of custom ones from your LUTs folder. Just click on the cog icon at the top right and select New Category. I'll name mine Jeff's LUTs and click OK. Now with that open, click back on the little cog. Scroll down to Import LUTs. Select the ones you want and then click Open. The adjustment panel is still open and set to Jeff's LUTs category. Now, you can easily click through the list to see which one works best for your image. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, that's about it for today. If you learned something and want to see more of this kind of content, please click those like and subscribe buttons. And if you're feeling generous, this channel runs on caffeine. There's a link to buy me a cup of coffee in the descriptions. Not necessary, but certainly appreciated. Have a great day, everyone.